Rain's letting up. Feels like home. Bought some pandesal. The old jeepney's still here.
Rainy night, Mateo. Keeps the streets clean though.
It smells so good in here.
Nothing like a rainy ride home.
It feels cozy.
The rain makes the city beautiful, no?
Yes, Lolo. So peaceful.
Reminds me of when you were small.
I love these rides with you.
The smell of pandesal always takes me back. So warm and comforting.
Sabi nga nila buhay pa rin ang palengke kahit gabi na. Tingnan mo yung mga bata, tumutulong sa pamilya. Ang sarap balik-balikan. Parang magic yung siningaw sa mga kainan. Ganyan talaga dito.
Rain's getting heavy. Let me help you with that.
Thank you, dear. It's so kind.
There, all secure now. The rain is peaceful tonight.
It clears the mind, Mateo.
I needed this ride.
Me too. It soothes the soul.
It's so peaceful tonight. Feels like home. The streets are almost empty, just quiet houses. Everything's asleep. It's so comforting.
The rice fields look so peaceful tonight. It's so quiet out here. I feel a bit lonely, but also comforted. The moonlight is beautiful.
Mateo quietly looks outside, recognizing the familiar place. There it is, the old bakery. The warm light feels like home.
Mateo, salamat po. Ito po para sa pamasahe. Huwag na, iho. Okay na yan. Sigurado po ba kayo? Opo. Mag-iingat ka.
Mateo walks home after midnight carrying bread. The road is quiet after the rain. The cool air feels fresh. Distant house lights wait for him. A peaceful, comforting night. Mateo. Inay, I'm home.
Mateo, anak, I kept your soup warm.
Thank you, Inay. It smells wonderful.
And you brought bread. Good.
Mateo, you seem lighter tonight.
I feel it, Ma. It's peaceful here.
Let me get you more soup.
Thank you, Ma. It smells wonderful.
Mateo, kain na. Kumusta ang araw mo?
Okay lang po, Lola. Masarap ito.
Mabuti naman. Kain kang mabuti, ha?
After midnight rain, the neighborhood sleeps peacefully.